Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Dear students, our guest, 8th, 7th, 6th class students, be ready for doing the class of English. My topic of today is regarding jumbled words of the complete sentence. Jumbled words of the complete sentences. How can we make correct? How can we make complete the jumbled words? Jumbled words. Now, dear students, suppose this is a jumbled word. He company keeps a man by the is noun. It is jumbled word. How can we make it a complete sentence? See, a man is noun by the company he keeps. A man is noun by the company he keeps. It is jumbled word here. He company keeps a man by the is noun. It is complete sentence is a man is noun by the company he keeps. Second point, second sentence. Should eat we live, to eat not live to. Should eat we live, to eat not live to. Now we can make some complete sentence of this. We should eat to live, not to live to eat. Should eat we live, to eat not live to. It is in a haphazard order. Now when we make it in a complete sense, we should eat to live, not live to eat. Third sentence, a person at to laugh in trouble who is unkind it is. A person at to laugh in trouble who is unkind it to. Now, it is complete sentence is, it is unkind to laugh at a person who is in trouble. It is unkind to laugh at a person who is in trouble. Now, fourth sentence, themselves, those, helps, God, help, who. Themselves, those, helps, God, help, who. It is complete sentence is God help those who help themselves. It is complete sentence is when we make it a complete sentence that God help those who help themselves. Okay. Now, fifth sentence. Rod and child, the spear, the soil. Rod and child, the spear, the soil. It is correct sentence is spear the rod and spoil the child. Spear the rod and spoil the child. Sixth sentence is hostel, sister, A, his nurse is. Hostel, sister, A, his nurse is. It is complete sentence is his sister is a hostel nurse. It is complete sentence is his sister is a hostel nurse. Seventh sentence, natural God, natural good climate, natural good climate, such in a good plants. Naturally, it is naturally good climate, such in a grown plants. Naturally, good climate such any good plants. It is complete sentence is plants naturally grow in such a good climate. The students, you try to listen again this point. Again I shall repeat it. Naturally, good climate such in a grow plants. Naturally, good climate such in a grow plants. Plants naturally grow in such a good climate. Yes, friends. You can yourself make so many sentences. Now you will try to write yourself a lot of sentences, but only for you. You try to make yourself. Dear friends, don't waste your time. When you work as much as you can. When you write as much as you can. You try to work, you try to write, you try to read yourself. Don't forget to write these words. Try to make a copy, notebook, note copy, and try to maintain these. This will become a fruitful in you for future. The students, it's enough. So, bye for now.